NFT trading live. It's actually very common for people to find it difficult to trade NFTs, especially when it comes to the cheap and profit-making ones. What are the right places to buy your NFTs? And where to sell your NFTs for maximum profit? Want to know how you can get early into a hyped NFT so that you can flip them for a profit? Well, worry not, we are right here for you. In this video, we will guide you to make sure that by the end of 2022, you would end up making a profit. Just follow our instructions and trust your own instincts when the time comes. But before that, right now you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, NFT Explained for Beginners, where we decrypt the world of cryptos and NFTs for you. So let's get straight to the topic without any further delays. For the fact, do you know that nowadays there are some free NFTs available in the form of games, which not only give you access to play them but also allow you to earn money? Wait, don't tell me you didn't know. Well, we'll provide you with all you need to know about them so that it's becoming easier like your daily routine. Now, first of all, you need to know how to find cheap NFTs. For beginners, it's better to trade first on the cheap ones because they carry less risk of losing money. Moreover, they're also easier to trade and mint. Well, in recent months, certain NFT investments have outperformed cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. There are many ways, and you need to be careful as you research your future investors. If you wish to learn about NFTs, you must familiarize yourself with the tools that most NFT traders use and understand the market. Consider, for example, taking a look at DApp Radar's data and observing how many traders work with each popular NFT collection. Now, after all your basic research is done, you'll need to find NFTs that are about to blow up. So how will you do that? Come on, it's not that difficult and complicated. For you to increase your chances of investing in a collection of NFT collectibles that would be profitable, it's vital that you become familiar with the key aspects of collecting them. For the first step, you'll need to find projects that are not yet released. NFTs are usually cheap when they are newly released and minted on the blockchain. That's why it's important to find them before they go live and learn everything there is to know about them. So for the next step, you will have to visit the official website of a particular NFT you're searching for to check the authenticity of the project. Nowadays, there are innumerable cases of fraud and scams that have been happening throughout the world. Therefore, beware of those. Actually, checking for a legit NFT is easy for anyone, because every crypto project should have a legitimate website free for grammatical errors and spelling mistakes. There should be no difficulty in spotting a bad website, and it should be a clear indication not to use it. In a good NFT project's website, new investors will find everything they need to know, including a roadmap, their white paper, members of the founding team, information about partnerships, and social media links. Once this is done, you're all set to mint or purchase NFTs of your choice. So now you know how to find the NFTs. But do you know where to find these NFTs? I guess not. Well, there are innumerable places where you can find profit-making NFTs, but there's actually a website known as OpenSea which specializes in it. So for today, I'm going to not only talk about how to mint on OpenSea, as it is comparatively easier and user-friendly, but much more. OpenSea is a game-changing decentralized marketplace for buying and selling NFTs. In August 2021 alone, OpenSea recorded well over $3.5 billion in NFT trading volume. NFT collectors, artists, investors, and traders all rate OpenSea highly, but if you're new to the platform, it's pretty confusing. With a beginner's guide to OpenSea, you will gain an understanding of NFTs, what OpenSea is, and how to use it, along with information about some of the best NFTs on the market. Now you can understand how helpful the website could be. The NFT technology has enabled digital creators of all types to provide ownership of digital objects for the first time. What's more, they enable creators and collectors to deal with each other directly, which is what OpenSea peer-to-peer NFT market is all about. Okay, so now I guess you know where to find cheap NFTs and the ones that would make a huge profit. Wait, don't skip the video yet. The most important part is yet to be revealed, and that is the selling of the tokens, because without it, your investment would mean nothing. So at first, you will need an original piece of media to which you own the copyright. This can be a picture you took, a GIF you created, a song, or pretty much any other form of media. Well, you see, there is a website named Rarible where you can sell NFTs with more ease. You'll only have to click on the create button. You'll see on the top right portion of the page, and you will probably want to start by selling a single file. So hit the single option when prompted. Then you will need to think of a sale price for your item. You can choose, however, how much cryptocurrency you'd like to enter in it. Then you will be asked about royalty payments in case someone buys your asset and uses it elsewhere. It may be a good idea to charge a small fee per view of your digital asset. This is optional, but it's a good idea. Keep in mind that Rarible retains a 2.5% service fee for items sold. And at last, you will need to pay a miner's fee, also called a gas fee, at the time of the listing. To do so, you will need to connect the crypto wallet you've made. Send over the appropriate funds and it will make a sale on your website for you. Your Rarible listing will automatically propagate to other listing sites like OpenSea. Well, that's all you need to do to be a successful NFT trader. Easy, isn't it? But there's still a question remaining as to how you will know whether your tokens have been sold or not. Since these sites tend to not use traditional emails, you will need to check the sales page for updated offers on the assets you're selling. In the event that you see an acceptable offer, or if someone pays the full price you requested, you can accept it. The crypto funds offered will then be transferred to your wallet. You'll be able to withdraw this and either use it to purchase other products through crypto or exchange it for cash. So in my opinion, if you're a beginner, then you should definitely follow the above mentioned instructions and use your knowledge to get used to the trading environment at first. If you agree with me, then I would say that before hurrying and rushing towards earning profit, you should learn at first to select the best and cheapest NFT at the beginning and then increase your bidding and financial investment bit by bit afterwards. But as a financial tip, always remember, even if you've watched this video, do not start mining and trading NFTs on your own. It's best to hire or consult a professional before doing so, at least for your first time. And above all, always follow the golden rule. Get into the project early on to get them cheap and later on trade them before the hype dies out. So now that we've come to the end of this video, let us thank you all for staying with us until the end. Don't forget to let us know in the comment section what are your views regarding the trading process, and are you willing to mint any tokens of your own? Also, if you have any doubt, feel free to drop your questions and we'll surely try to get back to you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And do take note that this is just financial advice, so think before engaging in any kind of financial activity and invest at your own risk. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for our next interesting video and we'll assure you won't be disappointed.